Hey everyone! Ever feel like your 20s are a relentless roller coaster of highs and lows? You're not alone. Stick around as we dive into the 20 life lessons that are game changers for surviving and thriving during this wild decade. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these. Welcome back to the channel, where we unlock the best ways to navigate life's challenges and come out on top. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our community of go-getters and life optimizers. Today, we're cracking the code on the essentials every 20-something should know. Ready? Let's get into it. The 20s are often romanticized as the best years of one's life, a time for exploration, freedom, and self-discovery. However, they can also be a period of significant stress and uncertainty. Many in their 20s are finishing up their education and stepping into full-time careers, potentially moving to new cities away from their support networks. This decade is also a critical time for personal development, as young adults establish their identities, values, and beliefs separate from their parents' and childhood influences. Financial independence becomes a reality and a challenge, with the responsibilities of managing one's own money, and possibly dealing with student loans or other debts. Social and romantic relationships evolve in more complex ways, and decisions made during this time can have long-lasting impacts on one's future. It's a transformative period where young adults must navigate the shift from dependency to independence, making choices that align with their long-term goals while balancing societal expectations and personal aspirations. Given these complexities, understanding the essential life lessons during these formative years is not just helpful. It's crucial for laying down a foundation that supports a balanced, successful, and fulfilling life. Without further interruptions, here are the top 20 lessons one must master in their 20s. Life Lesson 1. Financial literacy is key. Understanding how to manage your money is crucial in your 20s. It's not just about making ends meet but planning for the future. Start by creating a budget to track your income and expenses. Learn the basics of saving. Aim to set aside a portion of your earnings each month, no matter how small. Then, venture into the world of investing. Simple investments in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds can grow over time, helping you build wealth. Being financially literate means being prepared for emergencies and achieving your dreams without unnecessary debt. Life Lesson 2. Build and maintain your network. Your network, people who know and support you, can significantly influence your career and personal life. Start by connecting with peers, mentors, and professionals in fields you're interested in. Attend networking events, join online forums, or participate in community groups. But it's not just about collecting contacts. It's about nurturing those relationships. Check in regularly, offer help, and be genuine. Remember, strong connections are built on mutual respect and support. Life Lesson 3. Health is wealth. Taking care of your body and mind is more valuable than any financial wealth you can accumulate. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep are foundational to good health. Don't neglect mental health. Stress management, mindfulness, and seeking help when needed are all crucial. Treat your body like a well-oiled machine. Regular maintenance keeps it running smoothly and prevents breakdowns. Prioritizing health now will pay dividends in energy, longevity, and quality of life. Life Lesson 4. Embrace failure as a stepping stone. Your 20s will be full of trials and errors. Embrace failures as part of the journey. Each setback is a lesson in disguise that builds resilience and wisdom. Instead of getting discouraged, analyze what went wrong, learn from it, and move forward. This approach will not only help you tackle future challenges more effectively but also instill a sense of courage and perseverance that many shy away from. Life Lesson 5. Value time over money. Time is the one resource you can never get back. Value it more than money. Prioritize tasks that align with your goals and passions, and don't waste time on things that don't bring you joy or advancement. Learn to say no to commitments that drain your time and energy. Using your time wisely means more opportunities for success and happiness. Life Lesson 6. Develop a growth mindset. Adopt a growth mindset. The belief that you can improve through effort, good strategies, and input from others. This mindset leads to a love of learning and resilience, essential for great accomplishment. Challenge yourself to step outside your comfort zone and embrace new experiences. By viewing challenges as opportunities to grow, you'll achieve more and find greater satisfaction in your personal and professional life. Life Lesson 7. Understand the value of self-discipline. Self-discipline is key to achieving long-term goals. Whether it's sticking to a fitness regimen, saving money, or working on a project, discipline drives you to stick with your plans, even when things get tough. Set clear goals, establish routines that help you stay on track, and hold yourself accountable. Over time, discipline becomes part of your daily life, leading to success and satisfaction. Life Lesson 8. Practice gratitude. Being thankful for what you have can transform how you experience life. Practice gratitude daily, perhaps by writing down things you're grateful for each night. This habit can increase your happiness and satisfaction. Gratitude helps you maintain a positive outlook even in tough times, keeping you grounded and focused on what truly matters. Life Lesson 9. Learn to communicate effectively. Good communication skills can open doors in every area of your life. Learn to express yourself clearly and listen actively. Whether it's in your personal relationships or professional ones, effective communication leads to better understanding and fewer conflicts. Practice being concise and direct in your interactions, and always be open to feedback. Life Lesson 10. Cultivate emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and manage your emotions and those of others, can lead to more fulfilling relationships and better career prospects. Work on being aware of your emotions, controlling them, and recognizing the feelings of others. This awareness will help you navigate social situations and build stronger bonds. This format provides a rich, engaging explanation for each life lesson, using straightforward language to ensure clarity and accessibility. Life Lesson 11. Make informed decisions. Your 20s are filled with significant decisions, career choices, relationships, and personal goals. Make these decisions based on both information and intuition. Gather as much data as you can, seek advice from those you trust, and weigh your options carefully. Being informed helps you choose paths that align with your long-term visions and values, reducing the likelihood of regret. Life Lesson 12. Prioritize personal development. Personal development is crucial during your 20s. Dedicate time to learning new skills, reading widely, and exploring new hobbies. This not only enriches your life but also makes you more adaptable and innovative. Personal growth can lead to new opportunities and deeper satisfaction in life. Remember, the more you invest in yourself, the more the world opens up to you. Life Lesson 13. Understand the power of saying no. Learning to say no is one of the most liberating skills you can develop. It allows you to set boundaries and prioritize your time and well-being. Whether it's declining extra commitments, unhealthy relationships, or unproductive habits, saying no frees you to focus on what truly matters. This skill helps you avoid burnout and maintain your integrity. Life Lesson 14. Find a mentor. A mentor can provide guidance, support, and valuable insights from their own experiences. Look for mentors who embody where you hope to be in the future. They can offer practical advice, encourage you when you're down, and connect you to opportunities that might otherwise be out of reach. Remember, a good mentor-mentee relationship is based on mutual respect and shared values. Life Lesson 15. Travel and explore. Travel expands your horizons and exposes you to new cultures, ideas, and ways of thinking. Whether it's a trip abroad or exploring a new city in your own country, travel can profoundly impact your understanding of the world and yourself. It teaches adaptability, appreciation for diversity, and the beauty of sometimes being out of your comfort zone. Life Lesson 16. Take responsibility for your life. Your 20s are the time to take full responsibility for your actions and their outcomes. Owning up to your mistakes and learning to solve your own problems builds character and independence. This proactive attitude will serve you well throughout your life, in both personal and professional contexts. Life Lesson 17. Protect your online identity. In an increasingly digital world, protecting your online identity is essential. Be mindful of the personal information you share on social media and other platforms. Secure your data, use strong passwords, and be aware of privacy settings. A clean digital footprint can prevent future problems and reflects well on you professionally and personally. Life Lesson 18. Embrace change. Change is a constant, especially in your 20s. Embrace it instead of resisting it. Whether it's changing jobs, moving to a new city, or ending a relationship, change can lead to new beginnings and opportunities. Adaptability is a key skill in today's fast-paced world, helping you to thrive in any environment. Life Lesson 19. Give back to your community. Contributing to your community can be incredibly rewarding. Volunteer, engage in local politics, or support causes you care about. Giving back not only helps others but enriches your own life, giving you a sense of purpose and connection. It's a powerful way to build networks and develop new skills. Life Lesson 20. Keep learning and adapting. Never stop learning. The world is constantly changing, and staying curious and informed helps you keep up and stay relevant. Whether through formal education, self-study, or practical experiences, continuous learning is the key to ongoing success and personal fulfillment. Embrace new technologies, ideas, and perspectives that challenge your existing views. Phew, that's a lot to take in, but trust me, integrating these lessons into your life will change the game. What's the most important lesson you've learned in your 20s? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your stories and insights. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be grappling with their 20s too. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Together, let's make our 20s unforgettable. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep pushing, keep learning, and keep growing.